hors d'oeuvre, Jeffrey. Thank you. It's called chimney smoke. We got a little gray in it, but with a little bit of blue. All right, this is gonna be my speakeasy room or lounge, man cave. So start painting on some of the walls. I'm bad at doing before and after pictures or videos. So let's see how it's gonna turn out. All right, I have plans. You already see the poker table here. You see the TV here. You see the paint going on. We got cabinets over there. We put a row of cabinets over there. With a plan on putting a refrigerator and a wine cooler. Probably both, could be both. And then I'm gonna put like most likely a brick wall right there with some shelving coming off the countertop when I get all that over there. I already got some of it started, bought lights. And then I'm gonna put some shiplap along the ceiling to give it that rustic look, like what I'm trying to go for this room. Let's paint first. Alright, paint's on the walls. So this is gonna be a video of me putting this shiplap up on the ceiling. And I know it's unusual, you don't really put it up there as much, but I'm gonna try this in this room since it's gonna be like a little lounge room. So for me to go up on the ceiling, I got my laser level. I don't know if this is gonna be good. And here I'm gonna mark all the lines for where my ceiling joists are at so I can make sure I go into studs. All right, so got this in, going around the light right there, and around this vent. That should be the last of the cut pieces now. And these are IKEA cabinet systems. So we're gonna have this rail, which it comes with some mechanisms to lock it on the wall. You might need your own screws, but it comes with it. And let's get started. So as you can see, I have my laser level kind of set up to where I wanted it. Laser levels are pretty cheap, guys. So as you see, it shines all the way across the whole wall at a perfectly level line. All right, IKEA kitchen cabinets come with the legs called the sextant, some German word. Coming in a box like this, instructions. So these are the attachment parts for it, the cabinet, where you put it up under the cabinet. And then when you get under, you just slightly turn this on each leg to get it to the level part. And then when you get done with all of that, this part is gonna go on the kick plate, and this part just snaps in right here. So you can put the clip plate on there later. All right, almost forgot. So before you put the legs on, you want to kind of try to get these cabinets close to where they want to be at this. All right, this is kind of the reason I like IKEA cabinets. You can put it up by yourself way easier. See, that's dead on level. And that's dead on level with all three of them cabinets. All right, to figure out what screws you want to put in here, what I did, all you gotta do is measure whatever your surface is. You see how much measurement is. The rail is right up under there. Then you can see what screw you got, which I need 1.25 inches, which most countertops probably you just take 1.25 inches. That'll be good. But you see, I can see that won't come up to the top of the countertop. No matter how far I drill in, well, you can, but I won't drill that much. All right, try number 17.
Make sure the phone brackets are out. All right, and we're ready. Oh my God. Just clean my paint off. Yeah, I'll just use brown and black.
You see it on camera, good.